So today I'm going to teach you how to do a Lewis dot structure for silicon 2, fluorine 2, and hydrogen 2. So silicon has 4 valence electrons, fluorine has a total of 7 valence electrons, and hydrogen has just 1. And because we have 2 of all of these, we have to multiply them by 2. See, 4 times 2, 7 times 2, and 1 times 2. And so you add these all up, you have 8 plus 14 plus 2, and that's going to give you a total of 24 valence electrons. So there's 24 valence electrons, but to find the number of total pairs, you have to divide that by 2, which is going to give you 12 total pairs. We're going to find the unshared pairs, and there's a total of 3 of them, right here, here, and here. And so you have 3 unshared pairs, but since there's 2 fluorines, you have to multiply that by 2. And you're going to subtract that from the total pairs, which is going to give you a total of 6. You subtract that, and that is going to give you 6 bonds. And we're going to start with silicon. And by doing this, these 2 electrons are going to form a bond right here in the middle. So I'm going to put the hydrogens right on top of the silicones, and they only have 1 valence electron, so I put it here and here. And you see they're going to form a bond like this. And now I'm going to put the fluorines out to the side like this. Good. See, the 2 inside ones are lined up right here, and they're going to make a bond right here and exactly on the other side like this. So this looks pretty good, right? Except for there's these 2 hanging electrons right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to make these form a bond, and you're going to have a double bond right there. Alright, and now you see hydrogen, silicon, and fluorine all have their outer layers filled. Alright, so the next one we're going to do is manganese, oxygen 4 with a negative charge. And so manganese has 7 valence electrons, and oxygen has 6. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my manganese in the middle. And I'm going to draw my oxygens around it. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I'm going to put the electrons in for my oxygen. And so 2 and 2 is going to make a double bond right here. We're going to have another double bond right here. A double bond right here. And just a single bond right there, for a total of 7 bonds. Now you see that manganese is all good. It has its 7 bonds, but we do need to check the valence levels of our oxygen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this electron over here. I'm going to move this electron down here. I'm going to move this electron over here. So now they all have 8 electrons right here, except for this one. This one only has 7, and what we're going to do about this one, we're going to add in what's called an atmospheric electron. And I'm going to do that by making a bigger one with a little X through the middle right there. This atmospheric electron is what gives it its negative charge. And the way you show it has a negative charge is you're going to put brackets around this whole structure and put a little negative charge right out there.